Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer and I'm an online reseller on Poshmark, Mercari, eBay, Thredup, Facebook Marketplace, and a couple other platforms. On this channel I like to do thrift hauls, unboxings, and I do a what sold every 2 weeks to show you what sells from these thrift hauls and unboxings. Today is a video that I'm doing a collab for the Thredup Sleepwear Box. I believe it is 4 pieces. Can't remember the cost because I'm going to have to open it up. But, like I said, this is a collab video with Cinthia over at Thrift the Night Away. I love her videos. She gets this box a lot. And I'm excited because I've never gotten this before. So, that means that if I need help, hopefully she can help me. But we're gonna get into it, open it up, and then at the end you can go watch her video and tell us who got the better box. Alright, this came from Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, which is pretty much where all my boxes come from. No exciting mixture here. So the box was $24, but I'm pretty sure I had to pay taxes and stuff on it. So let's say probably around $30. I'll look it up and let you know. So it's $24 for a 4-item of sleepwear. So it is a little box. I wasn't expecting this, but there is the top. Ooh, I see a tag that I like. Quick peek. All right, let me set that down. First we have this bra, and I like this tag. It is Spanx. New with tags, retailed for $48. Has the strap, an extra strap, maybe? Yeah. This is called the Undetectable. Get it? Undetectable. Undie. Oh, it's a 4-way convertible strap, so it's an additional strap to be able to wear it many different ways. Alright. Love the color. It's like this mauvey wine purpley color with some floral details. Alright, alright. That's exciting. Excited about that. I was kind of worried because this isn't really it's kind of out of my comfort zone. Okay, this is J. Crew. And it is just this pink. It is a size small. It's a little pink silky cami with lace detail trim. Let's see, what are you made of? I don't think it's made of anything special. It feels very polyester-y. Polyester-y. It is new, fall of 20. Sorry, newer, I should say. And it is made of 100% polyester. That's what I thought. So that's not bad for it being new with tags. I definitely wouldn't have picked that up, depending on the price. If I got it for like $1/4, I'd pick it up, but like paying up for anything. Okay, so this is also J. Crew, extra small, with a fuzzy, keep away from fire. It doesn't have the price, but it is this white button up, guessing sleep shirt. Oh, wait a minute. It comes with shorts. No, extra small. Okay, so no, this goes together. So it comes with shorts. So it's a set. That makes me a little better. I think that'll help it sell. This is reimagined by J. Crew. I had another piece that this, I don't know, line or whatever seems to do pretty well. 60% linen, 40% cotton. So extra small. I don't see any stains. It's new with tags. So, okay. Ooh, this is silky and pretty. Let's see. Okay, here's a tag. Are you going to tell me anything? Weaving, woven, 100% polyester. Nope. It has no indication of anything. So, hopefully this just will sell for, let's see, can I even put it on? Okay, so I can put it on. So this is probably like, it's kind of loose, so I'd probably go on the large, extra large side. But it also depends on, because this is supposed to fit loose, so I would say large. I would say large. So it's silky feeling, but it's polyester. This is pink satin floral robe, and then it has the belt with it. But, oh well, we'll leave it like that. Okay, so there's one. Let's see if it has it on the other side. Yes, they're both intact. The belt loops are intact. Yay! And then it has the interior tie to put it together. Alright, so not bad. Hopefully, maybe I can look this up on Google Images and figure out what brand it is. Alright, so it's the end of the box. We did get the 4 items. I'm not upset at all. I believe I will be making a profit on this. I just don't know how much. I don't sell a lot of sleepwear, and when I do, it's just like random pants. And it's usually like collegiate or a novelty print or something just not like this. My favorite piece has to be the Spanx bra because it's Spanx. There's nothing more to say. I really want to thank Cinthia for doing this collab with me. Don't forget to go check out her video and let us both know in the comments who do you think got the better box. I am hoping to do more collabs with her and others in the future. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button. It really helps out my channel. Consider subscribing on your way out, and I will see you in the next one.